Today we'll be learning about how to hide last seen and online status on Telegram. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. So first of all, you need to open the Telegram application on your device. Once you reach here, tap on three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings option here and scroll down, and under settings tap on privacy and security option. Scroll again, and under privacy you can see variety of option. Just you can see the last seen and online at the second option, so tap on it. It has been said to everybody, so you just need to tap on nobody, and now tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner of the screen. So okay, so it notifies that unless you are a premium user, you won't see last seen or online status for people with whom you don't share yours. So approximate the times will be shown instead. So tap on OK, and here the last seen on online has already been said to nobody. So even though if you are online on the Telegram application, your last seen and the online status on Telegram will be hidden, and this way you can easily maintain your privacy also. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.